If you drink beer every day, here are 5 positive effects on your body. Your heart will be healthier. Studies have shown that moderate beer consumption can benefit the heart by improving blood circulation and reducing the risk of heart disease. You'll have stronger waters. Beer is a source of silicon, an essential mineral for bone health. Moderate beer consumption can help strengthen your waters. You'll reduce your risk of diabetes. Some research has suggested that hop-rich craft beer may have beneficial effects on insulin sensitivity and help prevent diabetes. You'll have better digestion. Beer contains dietary fiber and enzymes that can aid digestion and relieve occasional digestive problems. You'll be less stressed. Drinking beer in moderation can be a pleasant way to unwind and relax after a busy day. But be careful. It's essential to drink beer in moderation. Otherwise, it can have adverse effects on your health. Subscribe for more health tips.